Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn in CX Programmer how to create a new project. First up, open the CX Programmer. In this CX Programmer, you want to create a new project using this icon new button, and otherwise you can go to File menu and click on the new button. In this for create a new project, also have a shortcut key Ctrl plus N. After one click on new button, you can name of the project in device name. Project 1. After you can select the device type. Here the different type of PLC available model. You can select your device type. Currently I am choosing CJ2M PLC. After you can go to setting. In this setting button, select the CPU type. In CJ2M PLC, different type of CPU available. Currently, I am choose the CPU 30. Then after click on OK button. Then after you can choose the network type. In this network two types, USB and Ethernet IP. If you select Ethernet IP via upload download PLC programming. In this go to setting button and here the IP address of PLC defined. In this PLC default IP address 192.168.250.1. Then after click on OK. If you want to upload download using the USB, so selected USB. In this USB go to setting button, you have two types, direct connection and USB network connection. In USB network connection also use the IP address for Ethernet using the hub and download upload. Currently I am choosing direct connection. Then after click on OK. Then after click on OK. Now this is new project creation is ready. In this left side you can show the PLC type offline, data type, symbols, IO mapping, tools, memory area, and this is new programming. This init ladder. In this new programming you also create a new insert section. This is section 1 and section 2. Section 1, section 2. In this area you can programming of PLC. Write the in programming to here. Thank you for watching.